welcome back to my Taglish channel! Hi guys! How are you all on other side of the universe? So guys, for today's video, we are heading to another park, the Airport City Park. Yes, and you hear me right. Before we go back home. So guys, we are heading to the Air Force City Park and of course riding our Xiaomi Mi electric scooter Pro 2, and we will find out what inside of this park. This is good for the adults and children if you were passing by the Freeport, Pampanga. So guys, let's get explore together. What are we waiting for? Happy watching! After our lunch, we are heading to Air Force City Park. This is the Air Force City Park, a showcase of the history of Philippines Air Force through a variety of aircraft. Located in Andres Bonifacio Avenue, Clark Freeport Zone. You can see the boat F8 Crusader was delivered to the Philippines in 1978. Welcoming visitors to Air Force City is the sprawling, family-friendly park. On display are several aircraft from the Philippine Air Force's arsenal, perfect for the curious youngsters and aviation enthusiasts alike. Visitors can climb aboard a Huey helicopter, pretend to be a fighter pilot with the Northtop F5, or pose in front of the strikingly painted T-33 shooting star. The Air Power Memorial Mastery of the Air is the only strategy upon which sound military principles should rely. From the decisive force in the modern day conflict is air power. This is T-28 Trojan or the Tora Tora. This is the UH-1H or the Huey helicopter. They also have multiple playgrounds for children. Air Force City Park.
light's going to change while it's going across us.
So that's it, guys. That's our Air Force City Park for today's video. I hope you enjoy watching and you learned something today. It's been a while since I've been back in Air Force City Park. Long time ago. So guys, thank you very much. I hope you had fun today while we are riding our Xiaomi Mi Electric Scooter Pro 2. And thank you very much for watching and thanks for supporting my videos. Mega love shout out to each one of you who are watching now. Thank you from the bottom of my hypothalamus. Please like if you enjoyed my video today and please do subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to hit the bell button for you to notify on my next video. And please comment down below if you like this video po. And see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye guys, be good, you take care and be safe and ciao lang!